In this video, we're going to learn how to change the folder icon with any picture that we want. For example, I want to choose this picture for my folder icon. So I'm gonna make a new folder here. Now right click on the folder, click on properties, customize, and then change icon. There are some default icons here, but in this video, I wanna choose a specific picture for the folder. So I'm gonna click on browse, but you can't see the picture here. The problem is that Windows does not support PNG or JPEG formats for folder icons. Instead, there are other formats like ICO or ICL. Now, what we're going to do is to switch to Chrome and search PNG to ICO. For example, if your picture is JPEG, you have to search JPEG to ICO. Now, there are some websites here, but it doesn't matter which one you choose. I'm gonna choose the first one here. Now I'm gonna click on choose file, then click on convert, click download, and now you can see that we have a picture with ICO format. So again, I'm gonna click on browse here, and this time Windows recognizes the ICO picture. I'm gonna click on this, I'm gonna click OK, and then OK again, and there you go. The picture is applied to the folder. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if there's any question, let me know in the comment section.